Is that how you do it? That doesn't look right. How do you work this? Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Devin. It's Sunday, so you know it's Grub Day. Welcome to Sunday Grubs episode 5. And in today's video, I'm going to try to make Flavcity's low-calorie chicken stir-fry. To be real with y'all, I have never made stir-fry in my life. I don't eat vegetables like that, which I kind of should, so this should help out. So let's get started. Alright, so for the prepping here for the food, got for the chicken 2 pounds of it. It is best to cut it. I bought tenderloin, so they're already like this. Also for the stir fry, we have sugar snap peas, which these right here. I just want to say I have never had sugar snap peas ever in my life. I usually don't even like peas, so this is gonna be fun to try. One was this, a red bell pepper. I don't eat bell peppers. You know, like I said, squash. I never had squash in my life. So that's 1 squash, and then half of a red onion. And then of course you have other things such as like garlic, and then you have ginger. I'll show the actual soy sauce recipe, and have 2 of these. It's shirataki spaghetti noodles, pretty much types. Now hopefully these taste better than the ones I had when I made chicken alfredo, you know, because the noodles weren't really good. So hopefully these ones taste good here. So now I have to do the fun work and cut all this and prep it up, so yay. Now it's time to make the sauce. So I'm just gonna put these here real quick. I have Bragg's liquid aminos. I guess it's like a soy protein alternative, just because this has a lot less sodium. He has coconut or cocoa aminos in his. I couldn't find it on Walmart, so I got these, but it says to do 1/2 cup. So we're gonna pour 1/2 cup in here. This is not, I didn't even open this. Oh, that was easy. This thing smells weird. Okay, so 1/2 cup of that. Then I got my teaspoon here. We are going to do a teaspoon of sriracha sauce. So I'm gonna pour a teaspoon of this in here. A teaspoon of sesame oil. I was not prepared, guys, okay? Hold on, give me a second. Is that how you do it? That doesn't look right. How do you work this? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Yeah. Mission accomplished. Not that we're done stirring it. Now, just gonna put some of it on the chicken here. That's that. And I think now it's time for the shirataki noodles. Oh my, it's dripping. I got the shirataki noodles. I put it in the drainer, which it's just dripping right now. So let me put it in here to the stove, put it on medium high, and you just put it directly on, because as we can see, it is very soaked. Just because the shirataki noodles hold a lot of water. I don't know if I should be touching that with my hands, but I did. Moving on. So this is just to dry them up. That way they don't, like, what's the word? Makes it all like soggy, the stir fry. So lots of the water is out. So I'm just gonna pour this in here. Okay, so now that The noodles are off. Now got to pour 2 teaspoons of grapeseed oil. So, welp. Just things are not going to plan. Okay, this is supposed to be 30 minutes, okay? And I've been at this for like an hour and a half because I'm so bad. I don't know what I'm doing. So please like this video if you're enjoying my struggle, because this struggle is real right now. Wow, I'm just spilling everywhere. Well, I got most of it in the pan here. Some did not make it in. Everything's just falling right now. Everything is just falling. I'm just a mess. So, wait, why am I putting my hand in here? Oh my goodness. But just to show y'all real quick, this is what it looks like in the pan here. So I got a few peppers there that I'll have to get. How do people do that? Oh. We're just gonna leave you there. So, starting to look pretty cooked here. So, just gonna add some ginger, garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. So, 2, 3, and then, oh, I'm a mess tonight, okay? I'm a mess. And then gotta add some ginger. So we're just gonna pour it, yeah. That goes it for the spices. And then now we're just gonna add this back on. Take our remaining sauce and then just put it on here. So, okay, so right now I got my chicken on the grill. It's almost done. I don't have that, what's it called? That black pan that has like the holders on the sides. I don't have one of those, so I'm just grilling it. And I got like the remainder of the sauce, marinade sauce from the chicken. That's what it said to do. And I got a teaspoon of cornstarch and some water that I'm about to just mix in here. Okay, so I just took the rest of the chicken off of the grill. So the chicken is done. As far as the little pot thing, I think it's just lots of chicken scraps or something. The way it was boiling, it was kind of weird. So I just dumped it. I'm just gonna take some of the stir fry sauce and put it on. So now it is time to try this out. I hope it tastes good because I spent like 2 hours doing this. I hope this tastes good. So meet me in my bedroom. No, that was that's so weird. That's not like that. Just come with me. Come on. Welcome to my bedroom. I did it earlier. You went in. They know. You'll know soon when you watch it. But now we're doing a little taste test. So we just have a little sample here just because I'm gonna meal prep it. So I want you to get a fork. There's only one left. So get a piece of chicken. I should have cut it. My bad. Are you trying to say it's hard or something? I'm trying to overcook my chicken. Oh, well. Oh. There's some misaction in. The shirataki noodles. Such a weird texture. But I will say, this is pretty good. All that slaving in the kitchen? That's a lot. It was war out there. Well, you hold this, babe. Overall, this is really good. So, thank you so much here for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I changed it up there.
Gotta keep it fresh.
Yes, please comment down below. Any other suggestions? Like this suggestion came from a subscriber, and I said it's my next Sunday Grubs. So I do listen to y'all, but of course, now after the Hello Freshes, or I can put them in between the Hello Fresh or Sunday Grubs. Let me know, and I will try it out. And I'll probably do horrible. I'll make lots of mistakes like I did in this one. So thank you so much there, and have a good one.